Hi, so if your AC is not working, this is one of the first things you want to try before going to the mechanic. So this particular method is only going to cost you about $15 and it's going to be 5 to 10 minutes and anybody can do it. So what you want to do here is you want to open up the hood and locate the fuse box, which has both fuses and relays in it. So my particular model car actually has a fuse map right underneath the cover of the fuse box. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to locate the horn. So you could see right to the right there's a big, basically a horn icon. So my method is actually I'm going to test out the horn first. So I want to make sure my horn works, which means that the relay for the horn works. So once I know the relay for the horn works, I'm going to take the relay for the horn and I'm going to keep on switching it out to the other relays for the other components. So for example, there are 3 relays for the AC. One is the AC fan, another one is the radiator fan, and another one is the AC compressor clutch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the horn. So this particular one is the one I actually replaced. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you. This is the relay for the AC compressor clutch. So this particular one was broken. And what I did was, because the horn is the same exact relay for this compressor clutch, and the horn is not a very essential component to running the car, I took the horn relay and I replaced it with on the compressor clutch. So once I did that, that actually caused my AC to start working. So that's the method I used, is basically switching the horn relay back and forth. Now you'll notice for mine it actually has the snowflakes, so I could tell that that's basically relays for the AC. And as I mentioned, for my particular car model, there were 3 relays that are related to the AC. So, just keep that in mind. That is the method you should use, and don't be afraid to do it. This will not mess anything up. It's not going to break your car. What you do want to make sure is you have the ignition off when you're doing the swap, and then turn on your engine, and then do it one at a time, and then turn off your engine, just to be safe, so you don't shock yourself or stuff like that. But it is as simple as just taking one of those squares and replacing it with another one. So just to show you what I've done here, and just zooming in here, you could see all 4 of those relays. And the one that is different at the bottom, the one that I took out, is the one that I replaced. So you're gonna go into AutoZone, go into O'Reilly's or even Walmart, and they might have a lot of these relays just for $15. It's not going to be more than $15, $20, $25. So if you go to a mechanic for this, they will charge you somewhere between $120 to $170 just to pull out the relay and put a new one in. So you really want to try this first before you try anything else. Now it might not be this. The other thing it might be is that it might be the refrigerant. So you might want to also try to do that yourself. Now I will have a link in the description area of also trying out the refrigerant. I do have a video for that, but this is the one I try first because this takes literally like just 5 minutes. I said 5 to 10 minutes, but in reality it just takes 5 minutes. If you don't have the map, what you want to do is you want to look it up in your manual or look it up on the internet for your make and model of your car, and it's really as simple as that. So that's really it, and I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, ask me the questions in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. But hey, good luck with all of this, and I hope this helps. And please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.